Hi, this is Miss Garrow, and this video is for S2 Modern Studies. This is the first lesson of the unit Democracy in Scotland. You will see these symbols at some points during the video. Here's what they mean. You're also welcome to pause the video at any time if you want to complete any of the activities. Welcome to Unit 2 of S2 Modern Studies, Democracy in Scotland. In this unit, you will get to learn about the powers of the Scottish Parliament, what participation means, how are we represented in Scotland, and what is the work of an MSP. You will also get to look at current events topics like Scottish independence. So in this video and in this week's activities, you're going to look at what is democracy and what does democracy look like in Scotland. The learning intentions are to form a definition of democracy and dictatorship, to find out what democracy looks like in Scotland. By the end, you'll be able to describe the difference between democracy and dictatorship, and you can explain what democracy looks like in Scotland. So, what is democracy? Democracy is a system of government where the population have a say in who represents them. The people get a choice in their government, usually through a vote. We call this democracy for the people, by the people. Activity. Write down your own definition of democracy. Remember, you can pause the video here to complete the activity. What is the opposite of democracy? The opposite of a democracy is called a dictatorship. This is a system of government where the people do not have a say in who represents them. Usually, one person rules the country and makes all the decisions by themselves, or with a small group of trusted advisors. Activity. Write down your own definition of dictatorship. Remember, you can pause the video to complete this activity. What does democracy look like in Scotland? In Scotland, we have something called a devolved government. This means that while some of our decisions are made in the UK government, other decisions are made for us here in Scotland by people we have elected to represent us. The Scottish Parliament is based in Holyrood in Edinburgh. Currently, our First Minister is Nicola Sturgeon, who is part of the SNP party. Activity. Write down your own definition of devolved government. Remember, you can pause the video to complete this activity.